Hollyland Lark M2. So if you ever need to record external audio to a camera or to your phone, this kit is fantastic. The audio that you're hearing right now, I'm recording with this mic kit. You can see it's attached to me here. It's absolutely tiny, and that's what I feel like makes it very attractive, how small it is. The transmitters are some of the smallest I've ever seen. Now, they're not going to be as small as a dedicated lavalier mic, but a lavalier mic has a wire, and it of course needs to be plugged into a transmitter. It's super discreet, so it doesn't even look like a mic. It even comes with a necklace accessory, so you can hang it from your neck instead of attaching it to clothing. There's a few different versions. I have the combo version here, which lets me connect pretty much anything. It comes with a receiver for connecting to a camera, a lightning receiver, and a USB-C receiver, making it easy to connect to a phone. The kit itself also comes with this sort of all-in-one charger that's like basically a pair of AirPods, making it easy to keep everything charged and in one place. Let me know what you think about the audio quality. Like I said, I think it's the size of it that's attractive to me, just how small it is. Like I can attach it to a shirt, a t-shirt, whatever, and it just doesn't look big and bulky, isn't dragging down my t-shirt. It's really nice. Like, I think this is perfect if you're someone who wants to make basic stuff like Instagram videos, TikTok videos, but then of course it can also be used for YouTube videos as well.